Have you ever said hello and gotten a kind of confused look back? It happens to a lot of English learners, but don't worry, we're going to fix that today. We're diving into the most common greeting mistakes so you can sound natural and really confident every single time you speak.
You know that feeling, right? That moment when a simple greeting just feels a little off, or maybe even totally awkward. If you've ever felt that way, trust me, you are not alone. But the good news is, a few simple little tweaks can make all the difference in the world.
So picture this. You walk into a party at 7 p.m. You're excited to see your friends, and you smile and say, "Good night," and you just get some blank stares. This is a perfect example of why these little details in greetings matter so much.
So how do we dodge those awkward moments? Well, it's actually simpler than you might think. We're going to break it all down into 3 golden rules that will help you totally nail your greetings every single time.
Okay, here they are, our 3 golden rules. First up, knowing the difference between a hello and a goodbye. Seems simple, but it's crucial. Second, the importance of giving a full, polite answer. And third, knowing how to match your greeting to the person you're talking to. Is it formal or informal? Let's actually start with that last one, because it's a really big one.
This right here is key, formal versus informal. When you're talking to a teacher, a boss, or maybe someone you just met, you'll want to use more formal language, like hello or good morning. But when you're with your friends and family, you can totally relax and use casual greetings like hi, hey, or even what's up.
All right, now that we have those rules in our back pocket, let's see them in action. We're going to look at 5 of the most common mistakes people make and show you exactly how to fix them.
Okay, let's go back to that party example. Arriving and saying good night is such a classic mistake. Here's what you need to remember. Good night is only for when you're leaving, or maybe going to bed. When you arrive somewhere in the evening, the correct greeting is always good evening.
Here's another one I hear all the time. Someone asks, "How are you?" and you just reply, "Good." Now, it's not wrong, but it can sound a little cold, and it kind of stops the conversation. To make things feel warmer and more friendly, always give a full answer like, "I'm good, thanks." And then, this is the important part, ask them back, "And you?"
This is a super easy one to forget. Good morning actually has an expiration date. It's for the morning, usually until about noon. Once it's past 12 p.m., you want to switch over to good afternoon. It's a small change, but it really shows you're paying attention.
Remember our formal versus informal rule? This is exactly where it comes into play. Saying what's up to your teacher or your boss is just, well, it's a little too casual. The safer, more respectful choice is always a simple hello or good morning.
Now, you might have learned how do you do in a textbook somewhere, but I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Almost nobody actually says this anymore. It sounds very old-fashioned. The normal, everyday phrase you're going to want to use with pretty much everyone is just, "How are you?"
All right, you've learned the rules and you've seen all the common mistakes. Now it's time to put your new skills to the test with a quick little quiz. Don't worry, it's just for fun.
First question. Okay, it's 10 o'clock in the morning and you run into a friend. What do you say? Is it A, good afternoon, or B, good morning? I'll give you a second to think.
If you said B, good morning, you are absolutely right. 10 a.m. is definitely still morning time. Great job. Okay, next up. Someone asks you, "How are you?" What's the best and most polite way to answer? Is it A, "Fine, thank you," and you? Or just B, "Fine"? The answer is A. You got it. Remember our rule? That full answer that includes a thank you and asks the question right back is always the friendliest way to go. And for our last question, you're at your neighbor's house, it's 9 o'clock at night, you're getting ready to go home. The key word here is leaving. So what do you say? A, good evening, or B, good night?
And the correct answer is B, good night. Yes, because you are leaving, it's the perfect way to say goodbye in the evening. Fantastic. You are totally getting the hang of this.
You did an awesome job on that quiz. Let's do a quick final review just to pack all this useful info into your brand new greeting toolkit.
So let's lock in these main ideas. 1. Good night is only for leaving. It's a goodbye. 2. Always say thank you and ask, "And you?" It keeps the conversation going. 3. Watch the clock. Good morning, afternoon, and evening all have their time to shine. And 4. Use hello for formal situations and save the hi and hey for your friends.
And there you have it. All the tools you need to greet people in English with total confidence. So here's your mission for today. Just use one of these greetings correctly. Whether it's saying good afternoon at a coffee shop or remembering to ask and you, a little bit of practice is everything. Thanks for watching and happy greeting!